friends.
Hey guys, it's Jazz. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe, because why not? Like, you already watched this video, you already click on this video, you might as well like, might as well comment, might as well turn the post notifications on so you can be notified when I drop another video, because I'm dropping video on video on video on video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing something new. I'm going to be DIYing your DMs. So a couple of people have DM'd me asking me to make something or asking me can I make something. So I decided to make it into a series. So if you want to see me DIY something that you want or that you've been wanting to make, DM me a picture and I might make it on my channel. The first thing I'm going to be DIYing from somebody's DMs is those inside out pants. And I've been wanting these pants for too long. So yeah, if you want to see me make something, DM me and let's just get into this video. Okay, so here's the first pants I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using these pants for the stack part just because the inside of the other pants look way better. So yeah. And these are the second pants. As you can see, they are super high water, so I do not really like them. And they are slick, like bigger than me. And I advise you, if you're going to do this too, get a pants bigger than your size. So when you start cutting and cutting the sides off, it will actually fit you and not be too tight. Now let's get to the stack part. Okay, so I'm going to be using these pants for the top part and these pants for the stack part. And I'm going to just... I'm going to make it stack first. I'm going to cut where I want it to be stacked, and I don't want it to be super stacked. So all I'm going to do is keep this good side facing up, these pants inside out, and put the bottom of the leg through the bottom of the pants.
I said it's something in the way that you look at me. There is something in this love how I could use you, be. It was better.
And I'm just going to line up these two bottoms and sew around it. And make sure you sew above the rib part so it can stay. And this is how it should look. Good side facing up, inside out. And all I'm going to do now is pin. So here are the pants, extra long. Now I'm just going to start cutting out the parts that's supposed to be good side facing up, like the zipper and then like this part and then the sides. I'm going to turn the pants back the right way so it can be easier cut. I'm not going to cut close to the seams. I'm going to try to cut a little more around it, just to make it easier when I sew back onto the pants. Now all I'm going to do is start cutting down the sides. Okay, so before I cut this part, I'm going to take the pockets off because I want the pockets to be on the other side. I took the pockets off finally. And I'm just going to keep cutting down the side.
Okay.
Now I'm just going to cut the other side. Okay, bam. All the pieces are cut. Now I'm just going to turn these pants inside out. And I'm going to sew the sides on first. Good side facing up like this. Just going to start pinning.
Okay.
just gonna sew along the line, and I'm gonna sew the sides first before I sew this part back on it, and then the pockets. I switched out my needle for a heavy duty needle, so I used 110/18 needle. So here are the pants, the sides sewn. Now all I have to do is add this part. Now I feel like this is the hard part because it's like an awkward shape, but all I'm going to do is pin around each of the parts.
I said it's something in the way that you look at me. There is something in this love that I could use can be. It was better once you better.
Okay, OMG, I'm almost done. The sides are on. The front part is on. OMG, that junk took so long, but it's on. And I used a zigzag stitch just so it won't come off. Now all I gotta do is add the pocket.